Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your game stats on Beach Buggy Racing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Tap on your player profile on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you can see the stats option at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Finally, scroll down to see your game progress and stats on Beach Buggy Racing 2. And this is how you can check your game stats on Beach Buggy Racing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.